Hello, namaste, welcome to Relish Delish. Uh, I was thinking what to make today for dinner, and since it's summer and I have all these bell peppers in the fridge, I thought why not make a summer salad. And I have, like you see, different colors of pepper. I found this in the grocery last week and it's called striped Holland peppers. For those of you who have not come across it, it's very common these days in the market. I have some fresh fennel here, some grape tomatoes, and of course olive. And what goes best with tomatoes and bell peppers is feta cheese, right? So I have feta cheese here. I wanted to use apple cider vinegar. I didn't have that, sorry, or red wine vinegar. So I thought why not balsamic vinegar? That's the best thing. And then I have some olive oil and pepper powder, that's it. So it's a very basic, simple recipe. I'm not even going to add salt. I'll have a taste test and then decide whether to put salt or not. So we're going to be making a salad today. So first things first, I'll chop the vegetables. I have to cut finely slice the fennel. This is a big bulb, so I would be using, I think, half of it. So like you can see, I have thinly sliced the fennel, and now I'm going to be cutting this bell pepper, this striped Holland pepper. It's so pretty. It looks like one apple here, so I don't even feel like cutting it up. So basically just cut it into half. I'm going to be removing all the seeds here. And then cutting it into thin slices. So I have chopped up all the, basically the peppers and the fennel, added the grape tomato in and the olives. The last thing to do will be to slice the cheese. Some lovely feta cheese in there. I've decided to not cut it very small. In fact, if I mix it up, it is going to crumble as such. But this is nice cheese, so I'm just going to, it's a block of cheese, so I'm just going to cut it into pieces. And I'm going to be adding the cheese only after adding the dressing, because I don't want to break the cheese. So the last thing is making the dressing. Simple recipe. It's the vinegar, the balsamic, some olive oil and some pepper. I'm skipping the salt this time. So it's like an instant salad recipe, and then you pour it all over the. So I'm going to give it a gentle mix here, and that's it. You serve it onto a platter. So here you go. The salad is ready in under 10 minutes. And the best herb to go with all this, especially the peppers and the tomatoes and feta cheese, is basil, or basil as some people would call it. So I'm going to garnish it with some basil leaves here. And that's it. If you want to see more such summer recipes, you can visit my YouTube channel, Relish Delish. Thanks.